Students, in the last class we learned about 8th chapter polynomials. In that chapter we studied first degree polynomials, second degree polynomials and third degree polynomials. What do you mean by first degree, second degree and third degree polynomials? Yes, the polynomials with the degree 1 is called first degree polynomials. And the general formula is p of x equal to ax plus b. Here the degree of x is 1, so this polynomial is first degree polynomial. And second one, second degree polynomials. Second degree polynomial means polynomials with the degree 2. General formula p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Here the highest power of x is 2, so this polynomial is second degree polynomial. And third one is third degree polynomials. Polynomials with the degree 3 is called third degree polynomials. General formula p of x equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here the highest degree of x is 3. Understood? And today we are going to learn the addition, subtraction and multiplication of the polynomials. Listen the question. If p of x equal to 2x plus 3 and q of x equal to 10x plus 5. These both polynomials are first degree polynomials. First question, find p of x plus q of x. Second question, find p of x minus q of x. Third question, find p of x into q of x. Given p of x equal to 2x plus 3 and q of x equal to 10x plus 5. So first find p of x plus q of x. That is p of x plus q of x equal to p of x is 2x plus 3 plus q of x is 10x plus 5. First add the x terms. Okay, 2x plus 10x, 2x plus 10x plus then constant terms. Here the constant term is 3 and here the constant term is 5. So constant terms are 3 plus 5. 2x plus 10x is 12x. Only add its coefficients. Plus 3 plus 5, 8. So p of x plus q of x is 12x plus 8. Next, second one, find p of x minus q of x. Equal to 2x plus 3 minus q of x, that is 10x plus 5. So subtract 2x minus 10x plus, you put this plus here, 2x minus 10x plus 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5, that is 2x minus 10x. 2 minus 10 is minus 8 minus 2, 10 minus 2 is 8. Then the sign of larger number is negative, so answer is minus 8x plus 3 minus 5. Here also subtract 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2 and the sign of larger number is minus, so answer is minus 2. That is minus 8x plus minus becomes minus 8x minus 2. Then third one is p of x into q of x. P of x is 2x plus 3 into q of x is 10x plus 5. Here we have to multiply. So first multiply 10x plus 5 with 2x into 10x plus 5 plus 3 into 10x plus 5. 2x into 10x plus 5, then 3 into 10x plus 5. Then here 2x into 10x. 2 into 10 is 20. Then x into x is x square plus 2x into 5. 2x into 5 is 10x plus 3 into 10, 30. 30 into x, 30x plus 3 into 5, 15. That is 20x square plus 10x plus 30x. 10x plus 30x is 40x. 40x plus 15. So P of x into Q of x is 20x square plus 40x plus 15. Understood? Next question. If P of x equal to 7x square plus 10x plus 8 and Q of x equal to 2x square plus 8x minus 2. These both the polynomials are same degree polynomials. So questions: find P of x plus Q of x. Second one, P of x minus Q of x. Third one, P of x into Q of x. So given P of x equal to 7x square plus 10x plus 8 and Q of x equal to 2x square plus 8x minus 2. So we have to find P of x plus Q of x. So P of x plus Q of x is 7x square plus 10x plus 8 plus Q of x, that is 2x square plus 8x minus 2. So first add square terms. Okay, that is 7x square plus 2x square plus 10x plus 8x plus 8 plus minus 2. 8 plus minus 2 is 8 minus 2 equal to 7x square plus 2x square is 7 plus 2, 9. 9x square plus 10 plus 8, 18x plus 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. So P of x plus Q of x is 9x square plus 18x plus 6. Then second one, P of x minus Q of x. P of x minus Q of x is 7x square plus 10x plus 8 minus 2x square plus 8x minus 2. Here we have to subtract the terms. So first subtract square terms, that is 7x square minus 2x square plus 10x minus 8x plus 8 minus minus 2. 7x square minus 2x square is 5x square plus 10x minus 8x is 2x plus 8 minus minus 2. So minus minus becomes plus. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So P of x minus Q of x is 5x square minus plus 2x plus 10. Next, third one, P of x into Q of x. P of x into Q of x equal to, Q of x is 7x square plus 10x plus 8 into Q of x is 2x square plus 8x minus 2. First multiply Q of x by 7x square. Okay, 7x square into 2x square plus 8x minus 2 plus 10x into 2x square plus 8x minus 2 plus 8 into 2x square plus 8x minus 2 equal to 7x square into 2x square plus 8x minus 2 plus 10x into 2x square plus 8x minus 2 plus 8 into 2x square plus 8x minus 2. That's equal to 7x square into 2x square. 7 into 2, 14. 14 into x square into x square. X square into x is x square. So x square into x square is x raised to 2 into 2. That is x raised to 4 plus 7x square into 8x. 7 into 8 is 56. 56 into x square into x. That is x raised to 3. Then here the sign is minus. So minus 7x square into 2. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 into x square, 14x square plus, then the next one, 10x into 2x square. 10 into 2, 20. Then x into x square is x cube. Then 10x into 8x. 10 into 8, 80. X into x, x square. So 80x square. So here the sign is minus. Minus 10x into 2 is 20x. Minus 20x plus, next one, 8 into 2x square. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into x square, 16x square plus 8 into 8, 64. So 8 into 8x, that is 64x minus 8 into 2 is 16. Now add this, 14x raised to 4 plus 56x cube plus 20x cube plus minus 14x square plus 80 square. There are three square terms, minus 14x square plus 80x square plus 16x square plus next x terms are minus 20x plus 64x. Then constant terms are minus 16. That is 14x raised to 4 plus 56 plus 20, 76 x cube plus here minus 14 plus minus 14x square plus 80x square plus 16x square. So 80 plus 16 is 96. 96 minus 14. 96 minus 14 is, so 96 minus 14 is 82. So 82x square plus here minus 20x plus 64x. So 64 minus 20 is 44. 44x minus 60. So P of x into Q of x is 14x raised to 4 plus 76x cube plus 82x raised to 2 plus 44x minus 16. Here the highest power of x is 4. So this polynomial is 4th degree polynomial. Okay. Next, in your textbook, open page number 128. So that's a question. Find polynomials P of x satisfying each set of the conditions below. So first condition is first degree polynomial with the P of 1 equal to 1 and P of 2 equal to 3. Here two conditions are given, P of 1 equal to 1 and P of 2 equal to 3. By using these two conditions, we have to find a first degree polynomials. So we know that the first degree polynomials are in the form P of x equal to ax plus b. It is the general formula of first degree polynomial, ax plus b. Here given P of 1 equal to 1. So by using this equation, we have to first find P of 1. Okay, so P of 1 is a into 1 plus b equal to 1. Value of P of 1 is 1. Therefore, a into 1 plus b is equal to 1. A into 1 is a plus b equal to 1. So it is equation number 1. The next condition is P of 2 equal to 3. P of 2 equal to 3. So P of 2 is a into 2 plus b equal to 3. A into 2 is 2a. 2a plus b equal to 3. Here we get two equations. First equation is a plus b equal to 1. Second equation is 2a plus b equal to 3. Now from 1 and 2 equate these two equations. Okay. Here subtract equation 1 from equation 2. It is equation 2 minus 1. So 2a minus a is 1a. Then b minus b is 0 equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. So value of a is 2. Now apply the value of a equal to 2 in equation 1. Apply a equal to 2 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is a plus b equal to 1. So here a is 2 plus b equal to 1. Therefore b is 1. Here shift 2 to the right side. So plus 2 becomes minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So value of a is 2. Value of b is minus 1. A equal to b equal to minus 1. Therefore, the first degree polynomial is P of x equal to ax plus b. So a is 2, 2x plus b is minus 1. That is 2x minus 1 is the first degree polynomial. Understood? Okay students, that's all in today's class. The next topic we have to discuss in next class. Thank you.